There's the big male in the corner.
Dina.
Which one's Dina brought?
I don't know.
This one right here.
What is
No, the one right closest to you. Three weeks old today. Are they fighting, Brock?
Yeah.
Who's going to win? Dina? No, Dina's not fighting.
He's trying to get my sheep.
That's Dina crying. Tell her, no, Dina. Look, Dina's playing with you, buddy.
I found Dina. He's trying to get me. That's a girl.
Yeah, that one's a girl.
What's her name?
She don't have a name yet.
I know now.
The big male in the corner, his name's Ski.
Where?
Ski. In the corner, yeah, the big male.
Yeah.
The big boy.
Yeah. He fell down.
He did.